The United States is bracing for a powerful storm system. This system is expected to bring severe weather across a large portion of the country. From March 3rd to March 6th, 2025, we could see a variety of threats. These include damaging winds, large hail, and tornadoes. Heavy snowfall is also expected in some areas. This storm has the potential to be dangerous and disruptive. It is important to stay informed and be prepared. This storm system is developing in the central United States. It is being fueled by a clash of warm, moist air from the Gulf of Mexico and cold, dry air from the north. This clash of air masses is creating a volatile atmosphere. This volatile atmosphere is prime for the development of severe weather. The storm system is expected to move eastward over the next few days. It will bring a variety of weather hazards to different parts of the country. It is important to stay up to date on the latest forecasts and warnings. Be prepared to take action to protect yourself and your property. As the storm system begins to take shape, March 3rd will see a relatively calm start for much of the nation. However, the stage is being set for a dramatic shift in weather patterns as the storm gathers strength. The western and eastern portions of New Mexico will be on alert for potential severe weather. The primary threat in these areas will be the risk of tornadoes. While the East Coast enjoys a reprieve from severe weather, residents should not become complacent. The storm system is vast and unpredictable. Conditions can change rapidly. It is essential to remain vigilant and monitor weather updates closely. Meanwhile, in the west, shower and snow activity will begin to increase. This is a precursor to the heavier snowfall expected later in the week. As the storm system moves eastward, it will draw in more moisture from the Pacific Ocean. This will enhance the precipitation across the western states. March 4th marks a significant escalation in the severe weather threat. The storm system will unleash its fury, particularly late overnight into Tuesday morning. A large swath of the central United States, from Kansas to north central and southern Oklahoma, will face a significant risk of severe weather. Damaging winds will be the primary concern, with gusts potentially reaching speeds capable of downing trees and power lines. While damaging winds pose the most widespread threat, the possibility of tornadoes cannot be ruled out. The conditions on Tuesday are favorable for the development of these dangerous and destructive storms. Areas at particular risk include Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. The combination of damaging winds, heavy rain, and the potential for tornadoes makes Tuesday a day to exercise extreme caution. Residents in the affected areas should have a plan in place. This plan should include identifying a safe shelter and securing loose objects that could become airborne in high winds. Day 3 and 4, March 5th and 6th, shifting east, blizzard brewing. As the storm system continues its eastward trek, the focus of severe weather shifts to the southeast on Wednesday, March 5th. Florida, Georgia, and New Jersey will be at risk for severe thunderstorms during the early to mid-afternoon hours. While the threat of tornadoes diminishes, damaging winds and large hail will still be possible. Meanwhile, a different kind of severe weather threat will be unfolding in the upper Midwest. Heavy snowfall will begin to impact Wisconsin, Minnesota, Iowa, and potentially the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. This snowfall, combined with strong winds, has the potential to create blizzard conditions. The heavy snow is expected to continue into Thursday, March 6th, before gradually tapering off. Travel will be treacherous, if not impossible, in the affected areas. Power outages are also a concern due to the combination of heavy snow and strong winds. The uncertainty of nature's fury. While the overall track and timing of this storm system are becoming clearer, there is still a degree of uncertainty. This is particularly true when it comes to the moisture inflow from the Gulf of Mexico. The amount of moisture that is drawn into the storm will have a significant impact on the intensity of the severe weather. Meteorologists continue to monitor the storm system closely. They are using all available data and models to refine the forecast and provide the most accurate information possible. However, it is important to remember that weather forecasting is not an exact science. There are always uncertainties involved. This storm system serves as a reminder that we are at the mercy of nature's power. It is essential to stay informed, be prepared, and heed the warnings issued by local officials. Stay informed, stay safe. This storm system has the potential to be dangerous and disruptive. It is important to stay informed and be prepared. The The best way to stay informed is to monitor weather reports from reliable sources. These sources include the National Weather Service, your local news, and weather apps. It is also important to have a plan in place in case of severe weather. This plan should include knowing where you will go if you need to seek shelter. You should also have a way to communicate with family and friends. Be sure to have emergency supplies on hand, such as food, water, and a first aid kit. It is also a good idea to charge your electronic devices in case of power outages. By staying informed and being prepared, you can help to keep yourself and your loved ones safe during this severe weather event. Remember, safety is paramount. Take all necessary precautions. Have a plan in place. Stay informed.